Walking down that brightly lit electronics aisle feels like a trap when you see two massive television boxes sitting side by side with price tags that do not seem to make any sense. One brand is a household name you have seen for decades. The other looks like a generic store brand that might fall apart if you sneeze too hard. But when the price difference is nearly $100, your brain starts doing the math. You start wondering if you are paying for quality or just a logo. We need to get real about the battle between the super budget giant and the established value king. The underdog here is clearly the house brand from the world's biggest retailer. For less than $200, you're walking out with a 50-inch screen that actually works. It runs on that famous purple streaming platform everyone loves. The setup is so easy a toddler could do it. You plug it in, sign into your accounts, and you are watching your favorite shows in minutes. The app selection is massive. You never have to worry about a missing service. But there is a catch. There is always a catch when things are that cheap. The build quality feels like thin plastic. The speakers sound like they are trapped inside a tin can. You will almost certainly need to buy a separate soundbar just to hear the dialogue clearly. If you add that cost back in, is it really a bargain anymore? Then you look at Vizio. This brand has been the go-to for value for a long time. They offer features that usually live on televisions twice the price. We are talking about technology that controls the light in specific zones across the screen. This means the dark scenes actually look black instead of a muddy gray. The highlights pop with a brightness that the cheaper brand just cannot touch. If you are a movie lover, this matters more than anything else. You want that depth. You want that punchy contrast that makes the image feel alive. If you are a gamer, the choice gets even easier. The Vizio supports high refresh rates and technologies that keep your gameplay smooth and responsive. The Onn offers none of that. It is a basic screen for basic needs. If you hook up a modern gaming console to the budget set, you are going to feel the lag. You are going to see the motion blur. It just is not built for high-performance entertainment. However, the software on the nicer model can be a bit of a headache. It feels slower. The app library is not nearly as deep as the one on the budget set. You might find yourself waiting for menus to load while the cheaper TV zips right along. But here is the massive plot twist that nobody saw coming. The giant retailer actually bought Vizio for billions of dollars recently. The lines between these two companies are disappearing right before our eyes. We are already seeing the Onn brand show up with the Vizio operating system. It is a weird time to be a shopper. If you just need a screen for a guest room or a kitchen, save your money. Grab the Onn and enjoy the simple software. But if this is your main television, the extra $70 or $90 for the Vizio is a massive upgrade. You get better light control. You get a better gaming experience. You get a piece of hardware that feels like it belongs in the modern era. Just be prepared to maybe plug in a streaming stick if the built-in software starts to act up. It is all about what you value more, the cash in your pocket today or the picture quality you have to look at for the next 5 years.